Alright, here's my version of a smoke tester. Works pretty good. Yeah, I'll plug in some air to it. I don't know if you can see, that's pretty good. I'll explain. I gotta empty, get all this this smoke out of this 5-gallon bucket, and I'll show you how I made this. I'm gonna put this on pause for a second. Works pretty good. I mean, I can up the pressure a little. I have it down, my compressor way down to maybe 3 pounds, something like that. It's showing up the smoke, right? Actually, I already did a smoke test on it. Compressor's off, and did a pretty good job. I was looking for Evap leak on my Durango, and unfortunately, I didn't find it. I changed a purge valve about 2 months ago, and I had a code came back. The PO442 came back, and all the hoses underneath look good. They're not cracked. Canister looks good. I don't know. I thought for sure it was going to be the purge valve. I changed the gas cap. I don't know. I'm running out of ideas. There's another purge valve by the canister, possibly that. And I'm opening and closing the valves and everything. So, yeah. Anyway, all right. Let me put this on pause for a second. If I can put it on pause. I don't know. I'll just leave it going. I'll make another one. Oh, here it goes. It's all out anyway. Alright, so what I did, I'm using a piece of charcoal and a little part of a towel, a cotton towel I soaked with baby oil, and a barbecue baguette, a little charcoal. Just one is fine, makes tons and tons of smoke. I didn't want it to burn, so I put some cement down in the bottom, and I just had all this crap laying around. I figured I can make one with all this stuff. I didn't really put a nickel into this. I have everything here, except the baby oil, which creates tons of smoke. You got to do it with put a little baby oil on a cloth, because it creates a lot of smoke. So I didn't want it to burn. I didn't have a metal container, so I put a little concrete down on the bottom, and that's part of these 8-inch smokestack from my furnace that I had left over. I cut like a 5-piece section, put it in the cement, so nothing doesn't burn. And on the top of this, I just put the foil tape, the duct tape, foil duct tape on top, just so it doesn't burn, doesn't get too hot. And I put a little screen on top of that while it's burning, just so the embers or anything doesn't get up into the tubes, gets into the Evap. I don't want to blow myself up. Yeah, it's pretty good. Works pretty good. Pretty simple. Not so complicated. Yeah, it works good. I tried one with the heating iron and in a smaller container, metal container. Just produces just a little smoke. Doesn't give you a lot of time. This, I just fill it up and I can go 15 minutes with smoke. Yeah, does a good job. All right, thanks for watching.